So about a year ago, Mantic Games did a Kickstarter for Terrain Crate 2, Crate Expectations, where they'd provide a lot more modern and mid-1900s scenery. And this happened to coincide perfectly with The Walking Dead. And around about that time, a little bit earlier than this Kickstarter came out, the Here's Negan game came out, and there was some scenery in there which would fit in perfectly to replace some of the cardstock. So I knew exactly which packs I was going to order. And I ordered two different sets. There's the Survivor Stronghold and the Abandoned Office. So first I'm just going to take a look at the Survivor Stronghold. There's two sets of each of these in the kit that I've got, which is pretty sweet. So a bunch of this stuff will go towards replacing some of the cardstock stuff in here, as Negan, like I was saying. And there's a few things which you can definitely see are perfect for putting in Sanctuary. So you've got the furnace, which Dwight knows quite well. There's like a loading bay door. Then there's there's a generator in there, which is like a mission objective at one point. There's other things, there's these like barricades, crates, a little table in sheet metal stuck down there. And these things all work perfectly. There's like a medical cart crate with like different little boxes and containers and stuff on there. So these will fit perfect for Here's Negan. So I was just fiddling on with it at the start there. Is this, if I can actually reopen it. Is this a gun case? Bunch of M16s and some pistols along the top there. I think it's pretty cool. A little bit of cleanup I'll need to do on each of the pieces before I undercoat them. But I mean, details all there, it looks really nice. The furnace, you've got the exhaust part of it, the chimney or whatever coming off of it. Actually inside where the coals and things are, looks really cool. So these pipes on there, they'll come up really good. The loading bay door is double-sided as well. Detail on both sides. And you've got the actual loading writing on the ground piece, which I think looks pretty cool as well. Okay, so I'll sweep these away and then I will bring in the other set. Okay, so this is the Abandoned Office kit. Fair bit of stuff in here. You've got there's two styles of desk, one with the drawers on the left, one's on the right, and you've got the desktop computer, which is pretty cool, and there's a little laptop as well. We've got a crate, a big cardboard box. There's a stack of boxes as well. And I used to work in retail, so these crunched edges or something that I'm very familiar with. The forklift truck looks pretty sweet. Just get a bit of focus on there for you. Nice bit of detail on there. Again, it's something that just needs a little bit of cleaning up and it's good to go. But you've got these little pallets, these wooden pallets that they actually fit on the forklift as well. Pretty nice little detail there. We've got an open dumpster, a load of stuff in there, a couple of different types of seat. Got this very like plush kind of office chair, then a more standard like dining chair sort of thing. We've got photocopiers, got filing cabinets, water coolers, and when I was looking at what was in the office set, something that is like some bits of this is actually from the servants' quarters. So you've got like this wooden hatch. Again, just grab the focus. Got this wooden hatch, which is from the servant quarters. There, this bath as well. But then like the shared bits between the office, where the servants' quarters and the office. It's like this kind of boiler. Really nice looking design to that. Got like a chest freezer, some spilled paint cans, and there's a toilet as well. And the toilet comes in two pieces, so you've got the main throne itself, like that, and then there's the back of it. There's an alternate back, which is this very like old style, where like puts me in the mind of like the ones that I had back when I was in primary school, where they've got the tank at the top and then the pull chain, which I think, you know, I'll probably not use that in the like attached to that, but I'm sure I'll be able to come up with some use for it at some point. And there's also these little house plants as well, which is always nice just to kind of tie things together. And that's the two sets that I bought, and I'll grab some shots of them like being used in things like Negan and stuff.
Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and hit subscribe to easily see my next video. Or don't. Whatever, you're your own person, do what you like.